Good morning, student. Myself Umashankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter 9, numericals. I have taken a numerical. Question number first, a constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds if increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the applied force. Now, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, what would be the final velocity of the object? So, these types of questions show that solution is first thing given that is the mass, an object of mass is given, that is mass is equal to 5 kg, and for time is equal to 2 seconds if increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. So, initial velocity is equal to 3 meter per second and final velocity is equal to 7 meter per second. So, find the magnitude of applied force. So, these are given mass and time and initial velocity and final velocity. So, first thing we know that force is equal to that is mass into acceleration, m into a. So, mass is given, that is the 5 kg, and acceleration is find out. So, first thing find the acceleration. A is equal to acceleration, that is A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by t, time. So, final velocity is 7 meter per second minus 3 meter per second and time is 2 seconds. So, that is the 4 meter per second and 2 seconds. So, that acceleration is cancelled out 2. So, 2 meter per second square. So, acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. So, find the force is equal to 2 meter per second square. So, that is 10 kg meter per second square, that is kg meter per second square is the unit of Newton. So, that is 10 Newton. So, that force magnitude is 10 Newton. So, first answer is 10 Newton. First answer is find out the 10 Newton. Now, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds. Now, again time is equal to 5 seconds. So, find the velocity. Find would be the final velocity of the object. So, final velocity of the object is equal to v minus u is equal to at, that is a standard formula. V is equal to u plus at. So, u is this side. So, v minus u is equal to at. V is find out. So, that is v is equal to initial velocity of this, that is 3 meter per second, plus acceleration is equal to find out 2 meter per second per second square and time is equal to 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So that is 3 meter per second plus 10 second and second square is cancelled, that is 10 meter per second. That is find out, that is 13 meter per second. So that final velocity of the object is 13 meter per second, and that applied, find the magnitude of the applied force, that is 10 Newton of that force.